Lesson 1, Alphabet. And hello.
A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Alphabet chart. A. Apple.
B. Bear. C. Car.
D. Duck. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Goat. H. Horse. I. Igloo. J. Jellyfish.
A. Apple. B. Bear. C. Car. D. Duck. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Goat. H. Horse. I. Igloo. J. Jellyfish. K. King. L. Lion. M. Mouse. N. Gnat. O. Octopus. P. Panda. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. K. King. L. Lion. M. Mouse. N. Gnat. O. Octopus. P. Panda. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Seal. T. Tiger. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Web. X. Fox. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zebra. S. Seal. T. Tiger. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Web. X. fox. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hello. Hello, I'm Donald Duck.
Hello, I'm Huey. Hello, I'm Louie. Hello, I'm Dewey.
Hello, hello. Hello, my friend.
Hello, hello. Hello to you.
Listen and say.
Hello, I'm Ben. Hello, I'm Amy. I'm Kim. I'm Max.
Listen and say. Red, blue, green, yellow, brown, white, black.
Listen and say.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Sing the goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, see you next time. Goodbye, 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 everyone. Goodbye, goodbye, see you next time. Goodbye, 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 everyone.
Thank you for learning with us. We stop here. See you next time with the new lesson. My body. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.